Ano, ang Christmas is not just an ordinary Christmas party. Not about Santa Claus, hindi patungkol sa mga regalo, hindi tungkol sa mga Christmas parties na sineselebrate natin, hindi lalo na tungkol sa shopping. Christmas is all about our Savior, Jesus Christ. Ang Christmas ay paalala sa bawat isa sa atin na anumang ipinangako ng ating Panginoon, tumagal man ng 2,000 years, kapag sinabi at ipinangako ng Panginoon, God will perform it. God is faithful to the promises He has made. God will make all things work together for our good. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. God can turn our situations around. God already promised to all of us that God will walk with us in the valley of the shadow of death. Papagalingin ka niya. Nothing shall be impossible. Do not ever doubt the promises of God in your life. Ano man pinagdadaanan mo, hindi lang ikaw nagdadaan doon. Nawalan ka ng trabaho, hindi ikaw nag-iisa. Meron kang cancer, nawalan ka ng mahal sa buhay, nalugi ka sa negosyo, nabaong ka sa utang, hiniwalayan ka ng asawa mo. We are all going through the same stuff.